Yeah, why is this foolish fucking Abby Adventure playing Life is Strange? And, this is probably the last video for the month that I'm
No
playing
prize
this.
here.
But this story is just getting better and better and more
Good to know
epic.
Frank has a knife lying around.
Yeah,
Can't be Wi-Fi out here. Must take him days to download porn.
Yuck.
I don't want to look at his candy bar.
Frank must spend all his drug money on baggies. Recycle, dude.
Hi-fi.
Nice rig. Glad Frank treats something here with respect. Of course Frank gets the munchies.
Alrighty. Blowtorch! We need that!
That's a pretty extreme lighter.
You just...
What the hell is he doing with that dog?
Stop it. Is Frank going to deal online now?
Oh my gosh, yes!
That's almost cute to see Frank posing with his dog.
Oh. I feel like a 3-year-old right now. I'm just looking at all this shit.
Okay, this vent is loose. I need something to pry it open.
How about that knife?
Ooh, Frank's stash.
Yeah, we don't need any of that. Fun enough just playing!
Too bad I don't have my Frank Bowers decoder ring. Are these for Frank, or is he selling them? Or both? How can somebody live like this?
Alright, take the knife.
This is almost as good as a set of keys.
And at least I have something to defend myself when he comes back in and tries to kill us. Which is most likely
My blade
gonna
will
happen.
open any portal.
Can you turn the right way?
I cannot.
What were you saying, Chloe? I'm not looking behind
Oh
you.
man, Rachel and Frank's dog. I don't know if I should be touched or disturbed.
Read it. Frankie B. Hope you read this first thing in the morning. Sorry about last night. I was being a monstrous bitch and took it out on you. And poor Pompidou. There's a lot of weird shit going on in my life, and sometimes I feel like I'm never gonna get out of Arcadia Bay. Thank God for you. You're one of the best things that I have here, and I swear when I think of us together. Let's drive out of here forever. Love you always. Heart. R.A. Rachel Amber!
I'm glad Rachel got to drive this beast. She looks genuinely happy. Rachel really did hang out with Frank. I'm learning more about Rachel than I want to know.
Oh dear.
Trouble in paradise.
Frank, that was not cool what you did. Don't blame the drugs. You actually scared me and I thought you'd never chill out. I've never seen you act that way and the next time will be the last. I'm a Leo and we don't look back. I care about you, us. So maybe we need to break our routine. XO, Rachel Amber.
Chloe isn't scared. She's loving this. Pompidou? For reals? That's a poodle's name. I think the doggy likes his bone more. Zip, nada, nothing.
Max, you didn't tell me you took photos of Frank in action.
Can't quite picture Frank and Chloe drinking beer and hanging out. Frank must have a reason to keep a police radar nearby. That would be so cool to take this baby on the road with Chloe.
Alright, I need to just show you about the account book.
That makes me ill that Rachel posed like this for Frank. I wrote him love letters. I can't believe she was banging Frank. Rachel straight up lied to my face. Why didn't she say anything?
Because she knew how you would react.
And she wasn't much of a friend, huh? Just another person who shits all over me. Why does everybody in my life let me down? My dad gets killed, you bail on me for years, my mother gloms onto stepfucker, now Rachel betrays me.
Chloe, Rachel is missing. Nobody betrayed you.
Bullshit! Who hasn't? Fuck everybody!
Chloe!
Oh god. Those beans look awful, dude. My mom cooks better beans than that. I cook better beans than that.
Chloe, you can't keep blaming me and everybody for everything wrong in your life. It's so not fair.
Gotta blame somebody, otherwise it's all my fault. Fuck that.
I really think I might just give up on social media.
So now it's Rachel's fault too?
Jesus, she was banging that pig, Frank! Bitch lied to my face, Max! I can't trust anybody again. Everybody pretends to care until they don't. Even you.
Chloe Price, you better take that back. Right now.
Okay, fine. But you just don't understand. It's like I'm being punished by the universe.
So who do you most want to blame?
My fucking dad, of course. Hello?
You blame William? Really?
Yes, I do. Damn right. He chose to go out that door and leave me forever.
Chloe, your dad didn't choose to leave you.
I know that, Max. My mom actually blames herself. Just because she wanted a ride home from work. Sometimes even I blame her.
No, you don't.
Yes, Max, I do. Do you know what it's like to wait for your father to come home when you're a kid? And he never does?
No, of course not. But I was with you that day. It was just a terrible accident.
I wish that made me feel better. But ever since he died, my life has been dipped in shit.
You don't want to hear this, but you're still here. Alive. With me. And that is no accident.
You're right. I don't want to hear this.
Chloe, I can't do this out on my own. I need you with me. And Rachel needs you.
Are you gonna kick me out of your car? I feel so bad for her, but at the same time, it's like, I don't know.
Oh my god. What is happening now?
I'm tired of this bug! Oh, I can feel the heartbeat, it's creepy.